Taeniopteris is one of the most common and yet one of the most puzzling leaf fossils from the Triassic, and its importance comes from the fact that it does not clearly belong to any single plant group. At first glance, the leaf looks simple, long, strap-shaped, with a strong midrib and parallel or slightly curved side veins. But exactly this simplicity is what has made it so difficult for paleobotanists to classify. Fossils of Taeniopteris have been found in many different Triassic deposits around the world, and they occur alongside cycads, seed ferns, early conifers, and other gymnosperms. Because its leaf structure shares features with multiple lineages, every new specimen seems to open the debate instead of closing it. Some scientists have argued that these leaves represent true cycads, since the overall shape and venation resemble certain cycad forms. Others suggest they may belong to conifer relatives, because the cuticle and vein pattern in some specimens are closer to early conifer foliage. Another group proposes that many Taeniopteris fossils were actually produced by seed ferns, which were extremely diverse during the Triassic and often formed leaves that mimic cycad-like outlines. The central complication is that Taeniopteris is a form genus. It is defined only by leaf shape, not by anatomical or reproductive features, and that means multiple unrelated plants may have produced similar leaves in the same ecosystems. Even within a single fossil site, leaves labeled as Taeniopteris can differ in thickness, venation density, and cuticle texture, suggesting that the same name is probably covering several distinct plant families. This makes the genus important not because it represents one plant, but because it represents a long-standing identification problem in paleobotany. Taeniopteris teaches us that early Mesozoic forests contained many plants that converged on similar leaf designs for reasons we still do not fully understand. It also highlights how dangerous it is to draw conclusions from leaf shape alone, especially in deep-time ecosystems where convergent evolution was widespread. For students, this fossil is an excellent reminder that scientific classification is always provisional and must change as new evidence appears. Taeniopteris functions as a perfect gateway into the challenges of reconstructing Triassic plant diversity, where even the most common leaf fossil refuses to give a simple answer.